YouTube, what is up? I am Ace, and I just wanted to share with you this awesome little ring light that I picked up off of Amazon. Now, I've been hanging out in the clubhouse trying to elevate my YouTube game, and I heard a lot of mention about proper lighting. So I picked up this ring light to help make this face look even prettier. I know, it doesn't need much help, but there's a lot of different use case scenarios for this ring light. What are they? Let's find out. The AIXPI LED ring light is a 10-inch ring light that has 3 different light modes. It has white, yellow, and then a warm yellow. And with the 120 bulbs in this ring light, there are 10 different degrees of brightness within each mode. Now with my setup, I have the light sitting over here off to the right. As you can see, if I change it, oh, look at all that. Man, I probably should have waited to do this to the end of my recording. But it also has with the attachments that you can attach the ring light to the tripod and the phone clip. Use that to start your own YouTube videos. That's when you notice when you're looking at persons and they have those rings in their eyes that are all lit up, which is kind of a cool effect. That's coming from a ring light. And you can also use the ring light to set it up with your phone and use it for putting on makeup. Well, I hope my wife doesn't mind. Now, with the ring light, there are 5 components to this ring light. You have the ring light itself. So on the end, you have a USB type A plug-in that can work with a power brick. It can work with your laptop, any place that you can get power from a USB type A power source. One of the great things is that you can plug it into a power bank and it becomes a portable lighting source. You have the tripod and the phone clip, but you do have 2 different attachments that each have their own little ball joint in them for positioning. You can take off that phone clip and it leaves a standard 1/4 inch thread you can attach a camera. Other great things that you can do with this ring light is you can attach it with the tripod and put your phone on it, that you can take this thing out on the go. You can do late night vlogging or late night video filming that you want to do, like if you want to do your own Blair Witch project. I'm so cold. I'm so scared. What are you doing? Huh? Nothing. I'm making a movie. Another great thing about this ring light is if you're needing to work on your car late at night, portable battery pack, you just set it up on the tripod and you've got really good lighting to work on that car. You can take this ring light with you traveling. You can use it in your RV. You can set it out for extra lighting while you're camping. With that USB port, it plugs into just about any device for power, and that's just aces. When it comes to durability on the ring light, let's just say I've knocked it over twice, 2022, 2023. And the only damage that I've gotten is I've cracked the ring light front plate of it, but none of the bulbs have gone out. It still works perfectly for me. Now I dig my AIXPI ring light. AIXPI, XP, however you pronounce it, for around $20, and I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. This thing will take care of all your lighting needs, whether you're filming, taking pictures, doing makeup, late night automotive, traveling. With that USB type A dongle, you can get power from just about anywhere. Guys, I appreciate you hanging out. If you like this video, drop me a like, leave a comment down below. Did I forget something that we could use this light for? YouTube, as always, be safe, be kind, peace and love.